So this is how to frost the cake. That's going to be for the basic. So I'm going to trim off the cake first. Has been already pre-baked. I'm going to use it with the bread knife to turn all around here. And then we're going to remove for the excess dome of the cake. So don't throw this away. We're going to do for the cake pops. Now I already have the cake board. It has to be 10-inch cake board, round cake board. I tape it down on the bottom with the aluminum foil. It has to be real tight. So now to frost the cake, I'm going to use a little dab of the frosting. So the cake has to be sticking over here. Just spread a small amount. And just like that. And then what I like to do, I like to put 4 strips of wax paper. So the easy way to pull over after you frost it. So I'm going to put it around this on the sides of the cake board. And you're going to take the pre-baked cake has been trimmed, and then you want to be careful with that. Just use my hands and then flip it over here and flip it back, and then you just stick it on the board. And now I'm going to smooth more of the frosting on the cake. That's going to be for the middle. So this is going to be for the double layer of the cake. Just keep frosting on the cake. Just give it a nice crumb coating. Once you do that in the middle, we're going to frost it on the side. If you want to smooth the frosting, you can dip the spatula with some hot boiling water. It's an easy way to spread it. And you want to take the other cake, has been cut and then trim the dome, the excess top one, and then just you want to be careful. You don't want to break it over. And then flip it over and then frost the layer of the cake. You gotta make sure to dip with some hot water so the frosting is gonna melt easily to spread it. We're almost done frosting it on the cake. Okay, we're done frosting. What I like to do, after you frost the cake, the whole cake, you just go ahead and peel off the wax paper very slowly. So the cake board has to be very clean, neat. You just pull it on the sides by side. That doesn't look beautiful. That looks perfect. And that's how you frost the cake. If you'd like to see more techniques, please let me know in the comments below. And then you're going to give it a big thumbs up for everybody. And then don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to put the chocolate frosting recipes and the chocolate cake in the description box below at the end of this video. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to see the devil's food cake in this recipe in the link. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. But anyway, bye.